How to use Truist Auto Loan Services. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking to finance a car? Well, here is how to use Truist Auto Loan Services online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you can just click on auto loans under products and there you can browse new or used car loans, refinance options and rates. And you can compare terms, APR and monthly payments to pick the best fit. And once you're done with it, you just need to click on apply now to begin your loan application. And after that, on the next page, you need to provide your personal info, income, employment, and vehicle details. And you just need to include your trade-in info if applicable. And with that, you need to submit ID, proof of income, and any other requested documents. And once you're done with it, you simply need to double check all the details and then just click on submit. And once you do that, Twist will process your application and notify you of your approval status. And after approval, you can review loan terms and set up auto pay or payment alerts for convenience. And that's it. Applying for and managing a Twist auto loan is simple online. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.